All right, I run them in. I just run them in a few threads, and I'm gonna start tightening on them, and I'm gonna try to hold them up best I can. Try to hold it up best I can, and try to snug it down at the same time to where it was at. Okay, that's pretty close. Now let's do this one. All right, that looks good. Now just tighten it a little bit. All right, I got them tight. Now, let's see. I'll put a wire tie on these. Tie them back up. Make sure they're not too loose. All right. I'll videotape me installing this side piece on this with every step to it, okay? So don't worry about that. I'll see you in a minute.